We've seen that most GMAT preppers who indulge in occasional study binges in between several days away from the material don't see much improvement. The students who see the greatest score increases are the ones who study regularly and devote the proper amount of time to their prep. Think of it as a math problem. If a student puts in 60 minutes of study time every weekday and then takes part in 4-hour study sessions on Saturday and Sunday, that's 13 hours of prep in a week. Multiply that by 11 weeks, and you're looking at 143 hours of studying. And if you bump those weekday study sessions up just 30 minutes more per weekday, you'll get more than 170 hours of studying in over the course of your 11 weeks. Put the time in, and we're betting you'll see positive results on the other end. Practice tests are your friends. When you're staring down the date of your GMAT exam, it can be difficult to get yourself to take a full-length practice test as part of your prep. Maybe you have a fear of doing poorly and drawing away from your confidence in the actual taking of the test. Maybe you're worried about having the areas in which you're lacking pointed out to you. In the end, that's not doing you any favors. That's like not going to the doctor for fear of discovering that you're sick. When you take a practice test, you should always have clear goals in mind. And those goals should go beyond just, I want to pick all the right answers. Right answers are great and all, but as far as practice tests go, they don't count for anything. The only day getting a question right counts is test day. Until that day rolls around, however, the greatest value a practice question holds is its use in a learning tool. Your goal, then, should be to use those questions to work on repeatable skills and strategies that will help you get the right answers on test day. Before you start a practice quiz, set some clear learning goals for yourself. I will plug in numbers whenever I can. Or, I will make sure to identify the keywords. Or, I will focus on the strategy I learned for rate problems. When it comes to practice, wrong answers can be right. The only purpose of a GMAT practice test, like practicing for anything else, is to help you get better. Kaplan's practice quizzes give you the chance to try the real thing out prior to test day, and if you fail, give you the opportunity to learn from your failures. It's all about the way you approach the tests and what you get out of them.